Winter is here. The first symptoms of cold settle down. Let's join Julie and her little son Enfys. Julie takes care every day of her child. They are really very close. This morning, Enfys has breathing troubles. His nose is very stuffy. But no worries. Julie has what it takes to relieve him. She chose Aquamer baby spray. It was his pediatrician who recommended it. Aquamer baby spray is the best solution to gently wash baby's nose from birth. Ideal also for infants and children. Aquamer baby spray is 100% natural seawater, rich in trace elements, preservative-free, and pH optimal. The bottle ensures a gentle jet without propellant gas, via a secure tip, perfectly customized to small nostrils of babies. With Aquamer baby spray, nasal wash becomes a child's play. Let's watch how Julie washes the nose of her son Enfys. It's just simple. Wash your hands. Lie your baby comfortably. Tilt the head to the side, keeping it horizontal. Avoid the head back position. During the first washings, the child might not let it go. Do not worry, the nasal wash does not hurt him. Julie talks tenderly to his child to reassure him. Insert the tip gently into the upper nostril, then hold the spray for 2 seconds. Mission accomplished. The nose is clear. Turn then the baby's head to the other side, and repeat the operation in the other nostril. Repeat the washing 3 to 4 times a day. Raise your child and take him in your arms. He breathes better now. Aquamer offers also the hypertonic solution, for a fast and effective decongestion. Respera also offers a complete solution to relieve colds and cough. Thanks to its large range of 100% bio-based syrups, Julie appropriately treats the common cold, and prevents respiratory complications of her little boy. Enfecom cough relieves day and night coughing. Enfecom cold stimulates immunity and reduces hoarseness. With Enfecom, Enfys, quickly and surely, gets back in fine shape in no time. For further information, go to our website or Facebook.